Hi boys and girls, today we're going to talk a bit more about money of Trinidad and Tobago. We have already done the $1 bill, the 1-cent coin, the $5 bill, and the 5-cent coin. And today we're going to talk about the $10 bill and the 10-cent coin. So let's get started. So the $10 bill, the first thing you will recognize is that the $10 bill is gray in color. Mostly gray in color. Then you will notice that there's the number 10. So the number 10 is on all corners of the $10 bill. Okay, so let me show you where they are. So you can see it here, down here, up here, and down here. So you can see the number 10. So the color and the number, the color gray and the number or the number 10 on all corners would tell you that that's a $10 bill you are holding in your hand. Then we have the Kokriku, which is the national bird of Trinidad and Tobago. So the Kokriku is at the side of the coat of arms. Remember the coat of arms? The coat of arms is present on all money of Trinidad and Tobago. So this is the coat of arms here. And to the bottom here we have the words 10, T-E-N 10 dollars. And at the top we have the name Central Bank of Trinidad and Tobago. At the back of the $10 bill, we also have the number 10. We have 10 and a dollar sign. So $10, 10 again, 10 again, and 10 again at all corners. And then we have the picture of the Central Bank of Trinidad and Tobago, the building. So this is it here. That's the building of the Central Bank of Trinidad and Tobago. Okay, again we have the words Central Bank of Trinidad and Tobago at the bottom. And then we have a picture of a port scene. Now a port is where the ships come in and they stay and wait. So here we have a picture of a ship waiting. Things are going to go on the ship. Things are going to come off the ship. So the place where all the ships meet is called a port. So we have a picture of a port on the $10 bill. So let's move on. Now this here we have is the 10-cent coin. So this here, how do we know it's 10 cents? First of all, it's shiny silver and there's the number 10. And this is the word cents. So the number 10 is on the coin. And what is very particular about the 10-cent coin is the bunch of flowers engraved. And the flower or the flowers is called the flaming hibiscus flower. So this, I put some pictures here to show you what the hibiscus flower is. And I'm sure you know these flowers already, right? So here is an engraved picture of the hibiscus flower. So how do you know it's 10 cents? You see the number 10 and the hibiscus flower, and of course it's shiny silver. To the back of the 10-cent coin is a engraved picture of the coat of arms again. Okay, and this here is what it looks like up close and in color, right? So the coat of arms again and Republic of Trinidad and Tobago, and underneath that coat of arms is the year it was produced or the year it was made. And this particular 10-cent coin was made in the year 2006. So remember I told you all money has the coat of arms. So the 10-cent coin, to the back of the 10-cent coin, you will find the coat of arms. Right. So here we have some notes or bills, and we want to find out which one belongs to Trinidad and Tobago. So we're going to pay attention to the color, and we're going to pay attention to the pictures. Okay, and well, the numbers would tell us exactly how much it is, even though it's not it doesn't belong to Trinidad and Tobago. The number will tell you the amount or how much that money represents. So what we are going to do is simply look to identify money that belongs to Trinidad and Tobago, looking at the color and the specific marks that I told you about. Okay, so let's see this one. So this one is gray. What are we looking for? Money that belongs to Trinidad and Tobago. We have coat of arms. To the back we have the central bank. Do we have the coat of arms here? Do we have the central bank? No, so this is not it. So here we have one with a picture of a man. Is this the coat of arms of Trinidad and Tobago? Is this the central bank? Oh no, this is not. Looking at this picture here, are you seeing the coat of arms? Are you seeing the central bank of Trinidad and Tobago? So this does not belong to Trinidad and Tobago. So let's take this last one. I do see the coat of arms, and I also see the Kokriku. So this tells me, of course, there's a number 10 here on all corners. This money here is the $10 bill of Trinidad and Tobago. So this one is correct. So let's take a look at some coins. So let's look for the 10-cent coin of Trinidad and Tobago. We're not going to look for the 5-cent. No, we are looking only for the 10-cent coin of Trinidad and Tobago. Remember the flower on the 10-cent coin? The hibiscus flower. What number is on the 10-cent coin? The number 10. So we're looking for a coin, silvery, shiny silvery color, with the number 10 and the hibiscus flower. So let's start here. 10, hibiscus flower? Nope. And remember, if it's not the hibiscus flower, we also look for the coat of arms. Is it 10? No. Hibiscus flower? Nope. 10, hibiscus flower? Nope. 10, hibiscus flower or coat of arms. Silvery gray? Nope. 10, hibiscus flower, coat of arms? Nope. What about this one? 10, hibiscus flower, coat of arms? Oh no. What about this one here? 10, hibiscus flower. So this one is the 10-cent coin. So here we have a picture of two children with money. On this side we have Alan. Alan has 10 cents. And on this side we have Sarah, and she has 5 cents. So we want to find out who has more money. Now 10 cents, 10 of anything. Let's see what 10 looks like. Let me put 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 of anything will be a lot. Okay? Let's look on this side here. She has a 5-cent coin. Let's see what a 5 looks like, or let's see how much 5 looks like. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Who has more money? Is it Alan with 10 cents, or is it Sarah with 5 cents? You are correct. It's Alan. Alan has more money. Now, I'm sure you were thinking that the 10-cent looks smaller in size and the 5-cent looks bigger in size, but the size of it has nothing to do with the amount. Okay? So the 10-cent means that if you think about 10, how much 10 is, it is a lot. And think about 5 cents. If you were to put 5 of anything, what would it look like? And when you put them against each other or side by side, you'll realize that 10 of anything will be more than 5 of anything. So we have 10 is more. So of course, naturally, if you have 10 cents, you have more money. Okay? So let's move on. So here's Mark. Mark's mother gave him $5. Are you seeing the $5 here? Right. So he goes to the cafeteria and he sees a whole lot of snacks, but he's interested in these snacks here. The nuts. How much is the nuts? $10. Right, this snack is 10 cents. This chocolate is $1. This chips is $5. What can he buy? He has $5. Right. So with that $5, he can buy 1 pack of chips. Okay? With the $5, he can buy 1 pack of chips. And if he does not like chips, do you think he can buy the nuts? Does he have enough money to buy the nuts? No, he needs more money to buy the nuts. He doesn't have enough money for the nuts. Can he buy the chocolate? He has $5 and this chocolate is $1. So think about it. Can he buy chocolates? Yes, he can buy chocolates because he has $5. Remember, let's look at 5. The 5 here would look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $5, the 5 would look like this. Okay? $5 would look like this. So he has 5 of it here. And this chocolate here, that is $1. It means that he can get all 5 of this chocolate here with that $5 here, because this $5 here is this $5 bill is worth 5 single dollars, or 5 times of this here. All right, so you may not be able to understand it very well, but eventually you'll be able to understand how we can exchange things for money and how we can get change and how we can figure out how much we can get. Right, so this is just a little idea as to how we can spend money, especially with the $5. Right, so this is the $5. $5 shows that amount that he has, and if he wants to buy the chocolate, he can get a lot of it. Right, if he wants to buy the potato chips, because it's $5, he can only get 1. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, so Anna has 5 cents. Only 5 cents. Only 5 cents. She goes to the cafeteria and she's told that if you want a cupcake, you have to have 5 cents to get 1. So she goes to the cafeteria and the label is there. How many cupcakes can she get? I'm sure you know it already. How many cupcakes? Because it's 5 cents, she can only get 1 because she only has 1 5 cents, right? So Anna can only get 1 of the cupcake here because she only has 1 5 cent. she could only get 1. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you understand much clearer how you can determine whether you have a $10 bill or a $1 bill. The $10 bill, the color is gray. It has the number 10. Remember to look for the coat of arms, look for the Kokriku. The All Money of Trinidad and Tobago has the Central Bank of Trinidad and Tobago. Even the coins as well to the other side. Okay, bye.